just wanted to show you a cute little box I picked up from Next. So this is the Next Beauty Hero Ingredients Beauty Box. One of the items in here I really wanted, so I was happy to pick this one up. This was £18 and is worth over £73, so it's a good buy, isn't it? Just in case you wanted to know, this has a to and from on the back, in case you wanted to buy it for someone and give it to them for a lovely little gift. So let's get started, shall we, and see what's inside. Slide the sleeve off, and then we're left with a brown box inside. And I'll open it up and see what's in there. There's something big there, isn't there? So the thing I was excited to try was, well, there's everything I'm excited about. So this is the first item out of the box. This is the ordinary multi-peptide eye serum, a multi-technology peptide formula for the eye area, and that's 15ml, and it's a full size, and it's worth £19.90. So I'm going to get this out and we'll try it on now, because I haven't got my skincare on. In case you hadn't noticed, I've got no skincare or makeup on today because I knew I was doing this video. So there it is, and I have never tried any of the Ordinary. I think I might have got some of the Ordinary products in one of the calendars, but I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try this one straight away. So we'll unscrew it, and we've got a little pipette, and I'll just show you what it looks like on my hand when you rub it in. The consistency, we'll see. I'll just rub that in. Very light serum for putting around the eyes. No smell. I think there's a slight smell of something, but not really anything there. So I'm going to get a little bit more. Put it on my finger. Rub my two ring fingers together. And we'll put it around the eyes. That feels really refreshing. Maybe it's because I've got cold fingers, but it feels lovely. I think I need to get another drop for the other side. I like to spread it right out here where you're going to get those crow's feet, you see. So, going to get a bit more. A bit more around my eye there. I really like the light smell of, I can smell something, but it's very light and it feels very refreshing. I am really happy with that, and I'm looking forward to using that up. I really love it. That is so refreshing. That's what I like when I put my eye cream on. Something refreshing to wake me up. So I'm really happy that I've got that. So already that's worth more than the box, because the box was £18 and this is worth £19.90. So we've done good, haven't we? So next thing in there, let's see. I would like to show you this. Look at that. I thought this was not going to be as big as that. I'm really pleased with that. So this is our #1 serum, it says, by Dermalogica. Dermalogica Biolumin C Serum, 10ml. And guess how much that's worth? £38. Oh, wow. I know that Dermalogica is expensive, and I have always liked Dermalogica, and I've used them quite a bit in the past. And I was really interested in this serum, but I didn't want to pay the full price for it. So this is how I got it. Paid £18 and got 10ml. That's really good. I feel like buying more boxes. Maybe other, I think I might have seen this in another box. I'm not really sure. But I really wanted to try this, and it's called the Biolumin C Serum. Delivers 3 times more vitamin C to the skin than a leading competitor. I wonder who that is. It says ultra stable vitamin C complex brightens, firms, defends. On the back, what does it say? High performance serum enhances skin's natural defense system to brighten, firm, and help dramatically reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And it says avoid contact with eyes, use a sunscreen, and limit sun exposure while using this product. So let's see what it's like. It's got a little pipette on top. Oh, it's orange. You'd expect that with vitamin C, wouldn't you? So I'll put a bit, I'll put it on this hand now. Let's see what it's like. It's very thin, but not as watery as the multi-peptide eye serum. And there is a slight orangey smell. So I like that. Going to put some on my face now. So let's get some. Oh, I'll be sad when it runs out. Oh, it really does smell nice while you're putting it on. If you like the smell of oranges. Oh, it's lovely. A bit more for my forehead. I can't put too much on my fingers at once because it's too runny, isn't it? Oh, that's lovely. I really, really like that. I'm going to put some on my neck. Be none left by the time I'm finished, will there? Oh, that is beautiful. I love it. Oh, I want to buy a really big one now. I'm not buying that. I'm not sure how much the full size of this is, but I would love one of them. It's really nice. I love it. Wish I had more. More. Next we've got the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. Repairs and strengthens all hair types. So this number 3 is a deluxe sample. So that is not factored into the price of the box. So this is extra on top of that £73. We have got, oh, what's this? Oh, I remember. Okay. This is an ameliorate. This is ameliorate intensive foot therapy with alpha hydroxy therapy. Specialist skincare for very dry, rough feet, hard, thickened skin and cracked heels. Nourishing foot cream. Dermatologist approved, and that's 75 ml, and that is a full size, and it's worth £16. Intensive foot therapy resurfaces stubborn areas of hard skin whilst providing long-term relief to very dry, rough feet and cracked heels. Clinically proven to significantly increase moisture levels in the skin for up to 12 hours. Massage liberally into feet and heels twice a day for 14 days. For best results, apply at night, put on a pair of cotton socks and allow to work while you sleep. Reapply in the morning, thereafter apply as needed. For surface cracks only, do not apply to broken skin. So there you go. Here it is. Nice size, isn't it? And I'll show you a bit. That does feel really nourishing. And does it smell? Yes, it does. It has a slight smell. Not of anything. It's not floral, not sweet. It's like a clean smell. I don't know how to explain it. Yeah, it smells clean. So, and then there's one more little product in here, and it is Clarins Lip Comfort Oil, and it says 01, so I'm guessing that is the shade. And this is 1.5ml, and it's a deluxe sample. It says natural colour for glossy shine, lips are moisturised and look more beautiful, even bare. Comfortable, light and non-sticky glossy texture, lip hugging cushion applicator, makeup made for skin. And there's a little QR code on the back there. So should we open that up and I'll put a bit on? I've never had a Clarins lip oil. Have I even got a lip oil at all? I haven't got on the lip oil bandwagon, but I think I saw this and thought, oh, because I saw the full sizes in the shop, but I didn't, you know, I went into Boots and saw the full sizes sitting there, but I didn't buy it because I might not like it, and they're not cheap. So it's a nice little size there, isn't it? I think that'll last me a while. Okay, so this is the orangey looking one. I know there's a pink looking one as well. Let's have a smell. Oh, that smells lovely. I really like sweet things. Oh, I love it. Oh, let's put it on. Oh, I think I might be a lip oil convert. I've been converted. It's thinner than a balm. I really like it. And I think I can see a slight... I thought I could see something, but... Oh, I love it. Oh I love it. I'm like freaking out over this lip oil. I'm so happy to have that. If there's any other boxes online and I see a pink one, I might have to get it. Oh, that tastes so good. Oh, it smells really good. That is really, really good. I like that. I am really pleased with this box, and it was only £18. Can you believe it? I think I've got a lot of really nice things in there. So if you enjoyed watching the video, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again another day. Bye. Oh.